After the lengths, we have a scale. You can see the lengths and the scale are the same. First difference is this. If you go to the simulation and in the tool, let's brush some of this and create some style. I just want create some style, something like that. It's not important, just some style. For example, from here. Okay, for example, from here we have an curvy guide. If you change the length of this, it just add from this point, change the length. And you can see you cannot go behind over that length 100%, and that's it. But if you activate the scale, you can go over 100% scale, and it scale overall guide with its shape. Make it this, for example, bendy guide, and hair corresponding to that, we can see here 100% bigger. Now you can see, and it's maintain a style with the variation. And like lengths, you can control this effect by 2D texture. Like a noise, going to the noise, make sure it is 2D projection from now, and change the contrast to see better. In a black part, we don't have a scale. 0 scale means nothing. And in a white part, we have 100% and gray in between. You know that. You know this is very easy. So it's all about the scale. You can see the difference between length and scale, and do not use two of them together at once. That's it. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.